If you are over 75 and relying only on walking to stay strong, you're sorely mistaken. Every year, thousands of seniors lose independence not because they stopped walking, but because they never trained the muscles and balance systems walking fails to challenge. If you are over 75 and relying only on daily steps to stay strong, you may be leaving critical gaps in your stability. Research shows that after age 75, muscle strength declines by roughly 3% per year. Walking is beneficial, but it does not address these specific losses in a targeted way. Here are 3 exercises that directly target those gaps. Number 3, chair squats. Your ability to stand up from a seated position without using your hands is one of the strongest predictors of independence. Sit in a sturdy chair with your feet flat and arms crossed over your chest. Lean forward slightly and press through your heels to stand. Lower yourself slowly with control. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 10 repetitions daily. This exercise directly combats muscle loss in the legs. Number 2, heel-to-toe walking. Also known as tandem walking, this exercise retrains proprioception, which is your body's ability to sense where it is in space without looking. Walk in a straight line and place the heel of one foot directly against the toes of the other. Take about 20 slow, controlled steps twice per day. This movement improves dynamic balance and builds confidence on uneven surfaces. Number 1, the single leg stance. Stand on one foot for up to 30 seconds per side 3 times per day. If needed, hold on to a wall lightly for safety. This exercise integrates balance, core activation, hip stability, and ankle strength. Walking places you on one leg only briefly, but this movement trains your body to maintain stability for longer durations. Walking is excellent, and you should keep doing it, but it alone does not train to live well past 100. The good news is that all 3 exercises together take less than 15 minutes per day. Start with the movement that feels most manageable and build gradually.